My dear students, welcome back to my YouTube English channel, English with Malik Sir. In the previous segment, we have conducted a test on pronoun after the completion of 7 units on the series of pronouns. Okay, this test is meant just to test your understanding or comprehension in connection with the pronoun series. Yes, and this test is also important for our academic classes and said we said in attending any competitive examination under the central or state governments. Okay, therefore this test should be taken very seriously and with interest. Test on pronoun second. Yes, and this is unit 9 of pronoun series. Okay, there are 20 questions in connection with the correct the errors. Okay, you have to identify the error and make it correct. Yes, I will give you the correct answer with the suitable explanation at the end of the test. Now, let's see the 20 questions on the correct the errors. Question number 1. She is taller than me. Question number 2. I love you more than he. Question number 3. One can't play tennis by himself. Yes, let's come to question number 4. Let my friend and I go to the cinema. Question number 5. My friends and me went on holidays. Question number 6. Mr. Mishra is a university professor, but neither of his 3 sons has any merit. Question number 7. The poor man poisoned him and his own children. Now come to question number 8. Rahul is one of my best friends that has ever supported me. Number 9. Pratik, I and Rajesh have finished our projects. Okay. Number 10. I am yours affectionate daughter. Okay. Number 11. It was him who came swimming. Number 12. May I know to who I am speaking? The question number 13. Yes. I, you and he are very good friends. Number 14. Tina and myself saw the accident. Number 15. The boy who studies hard, he will pass with flying colors. Number 16. It is between you and I. Number 17. The aunt who was nearby walked and beat the hunter sharply in the ankle. Okay. Number 18. One of the boys who always gives the correct answers is Anand. Number 19. One should respect the religions of others as much as his own. Okay. Number 20. It is I who is responsible for the loss. Okay. These are the 20 questions for finding out the errors. There is one error in each sentence. Try to understand the questions and try your best to find out the error and the correct answer. Okay. It's now my turn to make you understand where is the error and explain properly about the right answer. Okay. Now let's start. Yes. Question number 1. She is taller than me. She is here subject. Here, me is the wrong answer. In this case, we have to use the correct answer, that is I. She is taller than I. It means I is subjective or nominative. Whenever she, it means a nominative pronoun can be compared with another nominative or subjective pronoun. Okay, right. Now come to the second. I love you more than he. Yes, I love you. Here, you is the object. Here, he is the wrong answer. And whenever objective pronoun is there, then another objective pronoun is required to make balance. And hence, I love whom? You more than him. Him is the correct answer. Here, object. And now come to question number 3. One can't play tennis by himself. Yes, here one is the subject. So himself is the wrong answer. Here the right answer is oneself, because one is the subject and the self form must be based on one, and that's why the correct answer is oneself. One cannot play tennis by oneself. Now come to the question number 4. Let my friend and I go to the cinema. Yes, here the subject is you, because this is imperative sentence and the subject is you, which is here found omitted. Okay, let my friend. Yes, my friend is the object. Yes, and I. This is wrong answer, and it should be me. This is the right answer, and me is the object form of who? I, and that's why the correct answer is let my friend and me go to the cinema. Now come to question number 5. My friends and me went on holidays. Yes, my friends, here subject, okay, and me is here the wrong answer, because a subject requires another subject after and. Yes, therefore here me is the wrong answer and the right answer is I. My friends and I went on holidays, and here I the subject. Question number 6. Mr. Mishra is a university professor, but neither of his 3 sons has any merit. Yes, here we find neither is the wrong answer. Yes, neither is used to where in relation to 2 persons. Here we have 3 sons, and hence neither is wrong, none is the right answer. Yes, none is used to indicate 3 or more than 3. Okay. Number 7. The poor man poisoned him and his own children. Here the poor man subject, and yes, poisoned him. Here him is the wrong answer, because here the self form is required, and therefore correct answer is himself. The poor man poisoned himself and his own children. Rahul is one of my best friends that has ever supported me. Here, my best friends is in plural form, and here that is a relative pronoun, and that refers back to my friends. Okay, the verb should be used according to the antecedent. Okay, my friends is in plural form. That's why has is the wrong answer. In this case, we have to use have. Okay, once again, Rahul is one of my best friends that have ever supported me. Question number 9. Pratik, I and Rajesh have finished our projects. There is a rule in pronoun that if we have three or more pronouns, then we have to use them in order of second person, third person, and then the first person. Here there is no second person, and then we have to take a third person, that is Pratik, Rajesh, and I have finished our projects. Okay, this is the answer. Here, once again, Pratik, Rajesh, and I have finished our projects. And next come question number 10. I'm your affectionate daughter. Yes, here yours is the incorrect word. Yours is here possessive pronoun, expresses the meaning of possession. Okay, but we require here possessive determiner. I am your affectionate daughter. Now come to the question number 11. It was him who came swimming. Here, him is the wrong word. The correct answer will be he. It was he who came swimming, because here it is who is a subjective pronoun and it keeps relationship with the subjective that is pronoun, that is he. Next, may I know to who I am speaking? Here, who is the wrong answer? The right answer is whom. Yes, may I know to whom I am speaking? Yes, it means the objective form of relative pronoun is required here. That's why who is wrong, whom is the right answer. May I know to whom I am speaking? Yes, this is the right answer. Well, now come to question number 13. I, you, and he are very good friends. Remember, whenever we have two or three noun or pronoun to be used as in the position of a subject, in that case, they should be written in the order of second person, third person, then first person. Okay, and that's why here the second person, you, he, and I are very good friends. Okay, this is right answer. You, second person singular number. Here, he, third person singular number, and I, first person singular number, are very good friends. Now come to question number 14. Tina and myself. You see here, Tina is a proper noun, and here subjective form, and myself. Here myself is the wrong answer. Here we have to use I. Tina and I saw the accident, because here I is the subject, and therefore Tina and myself is wrong. Myself cannot be used as a subjective form of a personal pronoun. Yes, number 15. The boy who studies hard, he will pass with flying colors. Here, he is the incorrect word, because in a single sentence we cannot use noun and pronoun, which are both very similar. Yes, here the boy, who is the boy? Here he is a person. Okay, therefore he should be omitted. Yes, the boy who studies hard will pass with flying colors. Okay, here we have to omit he. Okay, next come, it is between you and I. Yes, here you and me, because you is here objective form, and that's why I is the wrong answer, and hence it is between you and me. Here you objective form and requires again another object, that is me. It is between you and me. Yes, whenever we say something that it is a matter of secret, please keep it between you and me. Now come to question number 17. The ant who was nearby walked and beat the hunter sharply in the ankle. Here we find the ant is the subject antecedent, and who is the wrong answer, because who is used for person or persons. Whenever any animal or thing is there, definitely we have to use the relative pronoun which, and here therefore which or that. Once again, the ant which or that was nearby walked and beat the hunter sharply in the ankle. Yes, this is the right answer. 18. One of the boys who always gives. Yes, remember here who refers back to the boys. Error is here gives, and because boys is plural and who is a relative pronoun, and hence the verb agrees with give, not gives. Okay, one of the boys who always give, the correct answer is Anand. Okay, the question number 19. One should respect the religions of others as much as his own. Here, subject is one, therefore, his own is wrong. In this case, we have to write one's own. Next, it is I who is responsible for the loss. Okay, who is here also relative pronoun. It means who keeps relationship with I, and therefore the verb should be used here according to I. Therefore, the answer is am. It is I who am responsible for the loss. Okay, these are very interesting ideas that should be carefully remembered, so that we can easily appear any examinations that we face in our academic examinations side by side, any competitive examinations that we are going to face ahead. Okay, and yes, hope you must have enjoyed this class. Just like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Go through these questions again and again. Try to understand my explanation, because I have already explained very beautifully in connection with the errors and the reasons behind the errors. Okay, and how can we get the right answer. Okay, so in connection with the pronoun, definitely it will be helpful to you at the time of your speaking and writing comfortably. Wish you all the best. Thank you for being with me. See you in the next segment with another very interesting item. Till then, goodbye.